Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Play Store account. Having a Google account allows you to download apps, games, and more, so let's get started. First, you can either open the Settings app on your Android device or directly open the Google Play Store. If you don't have an Android device, you can still create a Google account on a computer. If you're in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accounts or User and Accounts. Now tap on Add Account. You'll see various options to select. So select Google. Next, you'll see an option that says Create Account. Tap on that to start the process. You'll be asked if you're creating the account for yourself or for business. Choose for myself if it's a personal account. Now fill in the required information, your first name, last name, and choose a username. This will be a new Gmail address. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password and tap on Next. Now you'll be prompted to add a phone number and recovery email. This is optional but recommended for account recovery. Tap Next when you're done. Read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you're done, tap I agree to accept. Finally, you may be asked to set up preferences like personalization settings. You can customize these options based on your preferences. And congratulations, your Google Play Store account is now created. You can now open the Google Play Store and start downloading apps and games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.